Hello everyone, let's learn how to enable sensitive content in Telegram app. Telegram sensitive content refers to any form of content that may be considered inappropriate, explicit, violent, or offensive. Telegram has guidelines on what is considered sensitive content, and they may take action against accounts or channels that share such content. But if you want to avoid those fines from Telegram, stay to the end to find out how to do it. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. For this method we will not use a basic Telegram app, because on basic Telegram app doesn't have option to enable sensitive content, so for this method we will open Telegram app on any web browser. It doesn't matter which web browser it is. In my case I will go on Google. Next go on search bar and type Telegram, and go on it. After that you need to log into your account, so you need to select the country, then enter your phone number to Telegram send you a code to see if it's you, and click on next. Then enter a code which Telegram send you. Now you are on your Telegram account, then you need to click on this 3 horizontal lines in top left corner of the screen. That will open side menu, and next you need to go on settings option. When you do that go to scrolling down to find privacy and security. Next again scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now just click on disable filtering, on that way you are turn on sensitive content, and you are finish. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.